Welcome back. We're so glad you're joining us again. Today we're bringing the orchard indoors, transforming your home into a lush, fruitful retreat. Imagine picking a fresh fig or lemon right in your living room. Yes, it's possible, and easier than you might think. Indoor fruit trees add life, fragrance, and a sense of connection to your home, making every day feel special. We'll explore the best varieties for containers, from citrus to figs, and share tips on how to help them truly thrive. Ready to turn your space into a living, growing sanctuary filled with beauty and flavor? Let's dig in together and start your indoor orchard journey right now. Let's kick things off with the ultimate indoor classic, dwarf citrus trees. These cheerful little trees are more than just a pretty face. They're a living burst of sunshine that can transform any room into a vibrant, fragrant oasis. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your indoor gardening journey, citrus trees are a rewarding choice that bring both beauty and bounty to your home. Nothing beats the scent of citrus blossoms, instant sunshine for your home. Their sweet, zesty fragrance fills the air, evoking memories of warm summer days and fresh-picked fruit. Even when the trees aren't fruiting, their blossoms alone can lift your spirits and make your space feel fresh and inviting. Dwarf varieties, like Meyer, lemon, key lime, and Calamandan orange, are perfect for pots. These compact cultivars are specially bred to thrive indoors, staying manageable in size while still producing full-sized fruit. Their glossy green leaves and colorful fruit make them a stunning addition to any sunny corner. Meyer lemons are sweeter and less acidic, with thin golden skin, perfect for drinks or desserts. Their unique flavor is a cross between a lemon and a mandarin, making them a favorite for home cooks and bakers. Imagine plucking a sun-warmed lemon from your own tree to zest over a salad or squeeze into a homemade lemonade. Key limes are tart, aromatic, and ideal for pies or cocktails. Their small size and intense flavor pack a punch, perfect for classic key lime pie or a refreshing mojito. Having a key lime tree indoors means you'll always have a fresh supply for your favorite recipes. Calamandan oranges are tiny, tart, and incredibly decorative, great for marmalade or a splash of juice. Their bright orange fruit looks like miniature tangerines, adding a pop of color to your home. They're also wonderfully ornamental, often fruiting and flowering at the same time. These trees are always doing something: fragrant blooms, tiny green fruit, and bursts of color. You'll witness a fascinating cycle. Delicate white flowers give way to tiny green fruit, which slowly ripen into vibrant yellows, greens, and oranges. There's always something new to admire, making citrus trees endlessly entertaining. Choose a pot with character and good drainage, terracotta or glazed ceramic work beautifully. Not only do these pots add style to your decor, but they also help keep your citrus tree's roots healthy. Make sure your pot has drainage holes to prevent soggy soil, which citrus trees dislike. Place your citrus in the sunniest spot you have, ideally a south-facing window. Citrus trees are sun lovers, and the more light they get, the happier they'll be. If you don't have a super bright window, consider supplementing with a grow light to keep your tree thriving all year long. They crave light. Think 6 to 8 hours a day. Without enough sunlight, citrus trees may struggle to flower or set fruit, so don't be shy about giving them a prime spot. Watch as they stretch toward the sun, soaking up every ray and rewarding you with lush growth. Water when the top inch of soil is dry and rotate the pot for even growth. Citrus trees like their soil to dry out a bit between waterings, so check with your finger before reaching for the watering can. Rotating the pot every week or so ensures all sides get equal light, helping your tree grow straight and full. Caring for citrus is a mindful, rewarding routine. Prune away any dead branches, wipe the leaves to keep them dust-free, and feed your tree with a citrus-specific fertilizer during the growing season. These small acts of care help your tree stay healthy and productive. Don't forget to feed your citrus. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer formulated for citrus will keep your tree lush and encourage more blooms and fruit. Feed every few weeks in spring and summer, and ease off in the cooler months when growth slows. Watch as flowers turn to fruit and enjoy the cycle of growth year-round. There's something magical about seeing the transformation up close, tiny buds swelling into blossoms, then fruit, right before your eyes. It's a living lesson in patience and reward. These trees bring a taste of the Mediterranean or California right into your home. Their glossy leaves and bright fruit evoke sun-drenched groves and coastal breezes, no matter where you live. Even in the depths of winter, a citrus tree can make your home feel like a sunny escape. More than just a plant, they're a daily reminder of warmth, abundance, and the joy of homegrown flavor. Sharing a homegrown lemon with friends or family is a simple pleasure that connects you to nature and to each other. With a little care, you'll have fresh citrus at your fingertips, and a home that feels truly alive. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of harvesting your own fruit, knowing you nurtured it from blossom to bowl. Ready to add a burst of sunshine to your space? Citrus is the way to go. With their beauty, fragrance, and delicious fruit, these trees are a celebration of life and light, right in your own home. Next up, the fig tree, a living piece of history and art. For thousands of years, figs have been cherished by cultures around the world, from the ancient Egyptians and Greeks to the bustling markets of the Mediterranean. Today, this storied plant brings a sense of timelessness and elegance into our modern homes, blending the old with the new in a way few other houseplants can. Figs evoke old-world gardens and timeless beauty with their dramatic, lobed leaves. Each leaf is a work of art, with deep cuts and bold shapes that catch the light and draw the eye. Their lush green foliage instantly transforms any space, creating a sense of tranquility and natural luxury. Dwarf varieties like brown turkey and celeste thrive in containers, making them perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone with limited space. These compact trees are surprisingly easy to care for, and their adaptability means you can enjoy fresh figs, even if you don't have a garden. Brown turkey figs are sweet, mild, and perfect for fresh eating or preserves. Their soft, rosy flesh and delicate flavor make them a favorite for snacking, baking, or even adding to salads and cheese boards. The joy of picking a ripe fig from your own tree is truly unmatched. Celeste figs are smaller, sugar-sweet, and forgiving of temperature changes. Their petite size makes them ideal for indoor growing, and their honeyed taste is a delight in desserts, or simply enjoyed fresh from the tree. Celeste figs are also known for their reliability, producing fruit even when conditions aren't perfect. Both are self-pollinating, no need for a second tree or pollinators. This means you can enjoy a harvest with just one plant, making figs a practical and rewarding choice for indoor gardeners. Their unique flowers are hidden inside the fruit, adding to the fig's air of mystery and intrigue. Watching figs develop is magical. Tiny green buds swell, deepen in color, and ripen to perfection. Over the weeks, you'll witness a quiet transformation as the fruit matures, signaling that your care and patience are about to be rewarded. It's a process that connects you to the rhythms of nature, even indoors. Harvest when the fruit is soft and drooping, slice open for a jewel-toned, sweet reward. The inside of a ripe fig glistens with honeyed syrup and tiny seeds, offering a burst of flavor and a visual treat. Sharing homegrown figs with friends or family is a simple pleasure that feels both ancient and special. Place your fig tree in bright, indirect light, at least 6 hours a day. A sunny window is ideal, but figs are surprisingly adaptable and can thrive in a variety of indoor settings. Rotate your plant occasionally to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning toward the light. Water consistently, keeping the soil moist but not soggy. Figs appreciate a regular routine. Let the top inch of soil dry out before watering again. Good drainage is key, so choose a pot with holes and use a well-draining mix to keep roots healthy and happy. Figs add sculptural beauty and a sense of tradition to any room. Their bold leaves and graceful branches make them a natural focal point, whether you're decorating a cozy corner or a spacious living area. The presence of a fig tree brings a touch of the Mediterranean into your home, evoking sun-drenched courtyards and ancient orchards. They're conversation starters and natural works of art. Guests will be intrigued by your indoor fig, often asking about its care and history. Sharing the story of figs, how they've been cultivated for millennia, adds depth and meaning to your home's atmosphere. Growing figs indoors connects you to centuries of cultivation and the simple pleasure of homegrown fruit. You become part of a long tradition, joining gardeners from ancient times to today who have cherished the fig for its beauty, resilience, and delicious bounty. Bring a touch of ancient charm and sweet rewards into your home with a fig tree. Whether you're drawn to their history, their beauty, or the promise of fresh fruit, figs offer a unique and deeply satisfying experience for any indoor gardener. Olive trees bring elegance and a calming Mediterranean vibe indoors. Their silvery green leaves play with light, adding subtle sophistication to any space. Dwarf varieties like Arbequina are perfect for containers and have a lovely, weeping form. Arbequina olives are small, flavorful, and fun to cure at home. Even if you never harvest, the foliage is stunning. Olive trees pair well with any decor, from modern to rustic. They need lots of bright, direct light. Place them by a south or west-facing window. Let the soil dry out between waterings. They're drought-tolerant and dislike soggy roots. Use a classic terracotta pot for that authentic Mediterranean feel. Olive trees grow slowly and steadily, offering beauty and a sense of peace. They're a living symbol of hope and tranquility, a timeless addition to your home. For a touch of ancient landscape and enduring style, the olive tree is a perfect choice. Imagine growing your own coffee right at home. The Arabica coffee plant is lush, with glossy, ruffled leaves and a tropical vibe. It produces fragrant, star-shaped white flowers, sweet and jasmine-like. After flowering, green berries appear, ripening slowly to bright red cherries. Each cherry holds 2 coffee beans, enough for a special homegrown cup. The process of harvesting, drying, and roasting your own beans is a unique, rewarding project. Coffee plants prefer bright, indirect light. Think east-facing windows and a bit of humidity. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. If the leaves droop, it's time to water. Growing coffee connects you to your morning ritual in a whole new way. It's a beautiful, fragrant plant that offers a story and a tiny harvest. For coffee lovers, this is the ultimate homegrown experience. For many indoor gardeners, the avocado tree is the ultimate prize, a living symbol of patience, hope, and the promise of homegrown abundance. Imagine stepping into your living room and seeing a lush, vibrant avocado tree thriving by your window, its glossy leaves catching the sunlight. It's not just a plant, it's a statement piece, a conversation starter, and a daily reminder of what's possible with a little care and dedication. If you're serious about harvesting your own avocados, skip the classic seed-in-a-cup experiment. Instead, start with a grafted dwarf variety like Wurtz or Gwen. These special cultivars are bred specifically for container life and are much more likely to bear fruit indoors. Grafted trees also mature faster, so you won't be waiting a decade for your first harvest. Unlike standard avocado trees, which can grow enormous outdoors, these compact varieties are perfectly suited for life inside. With the right care, they can actually produce real edible avocados right in your own home, a rare feat for most fruit trees. Beyond their fruit, avocado trees are stunning houseplants. Their large, deep green leaves add a bold, tropical flair to any room, making them a striking focal point even before they ever flower or fruit. The lush foliage alone is enough to brighten up a space and bring a touch of the exotic indoors. Light is absolutely crucial for success. Avocado trees crave sunlight. Lots of it. Place your tree by the brightest, sunniest window you have, ideally one that faces south. The more direct light it receives, the healthier and more productive it will be. If your home is short on natural light, consider supplementing with a grow light to keep your tree happy year-round. When it comes to watering, less is often more. Avocado trees are sensitive to overwatering and root rot, so always check the soil before reaching for the watering can. Let the top few inches dry out between waterings and make sure your pot has excellent drainage. A little attention here goes a long way toward keeping your tree healthy. Growing an avocado tree indoors is a long-term commitment. Even with the right variety and perfect care, it can take several years before you see your first fruit. But watching your tree grow, change, and mature over time is a deeply rewarding process in itself. And when that magical moment finally arrives, when a tiny flower transforms into a plump, green avocado, the sense of accomplishment is unmatched. Slicing into your very own homegrown avocado, knowing you nurtured it from sapling to fruit, is a joy few experiences can rival. The flavor of a tree-ripened avocado, picked at the peak of perfection, is simply unbeatable. It's creamier, richer, and more flavorful than anything you'll find at the store, a true reward for your patience and care. Along the way, you'll learn the art of patience, the importance of observation, and the satisfaction that comes from nurturing something over months and years. Each new leaf, each tiny bud is a small victory. So if you're ready for a challenge and a delicious dream, growing an indoor avocado tree might just be the most rewarding adventure your home can offer. From citrus to figs, olives to avocados, your home can be a living orchard. It's about more than fruit. It's about connection, beauty, and the joy of nurturing life indoors. Give your trees sunlight, the right soil, and a little love, and they'll reward you for years to come. Share your indoor orchard stories in the comments and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining me. Now go grow something beautiful. See you next time.